Hello, educators. Welcome to this quick video demonstrating how to hide lessons and games on typing.com. This feature allows you to tailor the learning experience for your students by controlling their access to specific content. Let's get started. To manage lesson and game visibility, start on the Classes page and select the class you wish to modify. Then, click the gear icon to open Class Settings. Next, click on the Lessons tab. Here, you'll find a list of all the available lessons categorized by unit. To hide a lesson, simply uncheck the box next to its name. You can also select Make All Lessons Active to quickly enable all lessons for your class. Once you've made your selections, click Save All Changes. Hidden lessons will not appear in the student's lesson list, preventing them from accessing that specific content. Now let's look at hiding games. Click on the Games tab in the class settings. This section displays all the typing.com games. Just like with lessons, you can hide individual games by unchecking the box next to each game. You can also quickly allow access to all games by checking the Allow Access to All Games box at the top. Remember to click Save All Changes. Hidden games will now be unavailable to your students in that class. To support individualized education plans, we also offer the ability to modify all of these settings on a student-by-student basis. The process is the same, just within student settings. That's how to hide lessons and games on typing.com. To learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.